Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, this is Iqra Applied Grammar 2 for class 7. This is 24th lesson. So dear students, open your books on page 30. This is unit number 7. The topic is conditional sentences, future real condition. The students, as usual, the first segment is grammar in use. Sing aloud together. The students, I will read the poem and you will read after me. So I start. If I become an astronaut, this is your turn. I'll fly up through the stars. I will travel in a spacecraft and I will go to Mars. I'll explore the planet's surface, its craters and dry lakes. Life will be so interesting if I go into space. The students, the second segment is learn grammar. So future real conditional is used to talk about the condition in future and what will happen as a result. The students, इस सेंटेंस के दो पार्ट होंगे, एक में कंडीशन और दूसरे में रिजल्ट. So I show some sentences to you for your convenience. The students, this is sentence number 1. It has two parts. The first part that starts with if and ends at this comma. This is called condition. And second part, second clause starts with this I and ends this full stop. This is called the result. So sentence number 1, if I eat too much, I'll become ill. If I eat too much, I will become ill. This is the complete sentence. The condition is if I eat too much. This is the condition. And the result is I will become ill. This is the result. This sentence has two parts, two clauses. One first starts with if and ends at that comma. And second starts from this after this comma and ends at the full stop. The second sentence, if we get good marks, we will make our parents happy. If we get good marks, we will make our parents happy. Sentence number 3, the condition is if you perform nicely, you will get a prize. If you perform nicely, you will get a prize. Sentence number 4, if they go for shopping, they will eat ice creams. If they go for shopping, they will eat ice creams. Sentence number 5, if he plays well, he will win the match. The condition is if he plays well is the condition and the result he will win the match. Sentence number 6, if she learns stitching is the condition, she will make fine clothes. She will make fine clothes is the result. The students, one thing more that is noticeable, the subject after if there the subject in the condition and the result in the condition, the subject in the result are the same. I. This is we, you and you. They both sides have the same subject. Similarly, there is he is the subject in sentence number 5 and in sentence number 6 she is the subject. but it is not necessary, as I have made another table for you. This is the condition. If I do not complete my work, if I do not complete my work, this is the condition. It starts with if and ends at that comma, and the result may be. The results, I have written the 5 results. If I do not complete my work, my teacher will be angry. Another condition, another result with the same condition. If I do not complete my work, he will punish me. The teacher will punish me. Same condition. If I do not complete my work, the principal will call my parents. And the same condition with different result. If I do not complete my work, my parents will feel shy. And another result for the same condition. If I do not complete my work, they will scold me. My parents will scold me. So it is not necessary that the subject in the condition and result may be same and may not be same. So now we go to the table on the book. Dear students, this is Learn Grammar segment, the condition, and the second column, the result. The first sentence, if you work hard, this is the condition, and if I work hard, the condition, I will get good marks, is the result. There I is the subject in both the sides, in both the parts of the sentence. If we become astronaut, we will explore the space. The subject in both the parts is the same, but notice that the subject in the first part is with first form of verb, and in the result there is will get, first form with will. Sentence number 3, if you do not come in time, you will not get the ticket. There is the subject you, and there is also the subject you. There is the simple present tense, and there is will not go the future simple future tense. If he takes exercise daily, he will remain fit and healthy. If she does not take medicine, she will not recover soon. If they play well, they will win the match. Subject in both the parts is the same, that is they. There is play, they play. But at the second side, in the result side, they will win. This is simple present and this is simple future tense. Dear students, this is page number 31, practice segment, third segment, and there is exercise A. Make the parts of each sentence. First sentence has been solved for your convenience. If they do not study, they will fail in the test. You will notice that will fail. Now this is the exercise for your homework, and I will give you the feedback in the next lesson. Now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Dear students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.